Morning children, today I am going to explain you our fifth lesson. What is the title of our fifth lesson? The Arc of Colors. This lesson is all about colors. Okay. Today I am going to explain you the new words and their meanings and the textbook reading section. Okay. So tomorrow I am going to explain you this lesson. Okay. So see, what is the title of our lesson? The Arc of Colors. So let us see the new words. So what were the new words in this lesson? See, wisdom, peace, flash, purpose, hope, obeyed. So these are the new words of our lesson. Okay, have you ever listened to these words? No, right? All these words are very new. We never seen before these words. Okay, so let us read the new words. W-I-S-D-O-M, wisdom. P-E-A-C-E, peace. F-L-A-S-H, flash. P-U-R-P-O-S-E, purpose. H-O-P-E, hope. O-B-E-Y-E-D, obeyed. Okay. So let us see the meanings of these new words. What is the first word? Wisdom. What is the meaning of wisdom? Great knowledge. What is the meaning of great knowledge? That means having lot of information, knowing about all the things in the world. Wisdom means acquiring a great knowledge. How you acquire great knowledge? By reading lot of books, by reading lot of magazines, or by knowing the things that are happened around the world. Okay, in that way we acquire knowledge by studying the higher studies, everything. Wisdom is something we are having the knowledge about everything. That means a great knowledge. Our second new word is peace. So what is the meaning of peace? Peace means free from disturbances or fighting. See, all the time we are going through very disturbances or fights. We fight with one another and we are going through a lot of disturbances, right? So free from all those things is nothing but peace. Generally, where we find peace? We find peace at temples. We find peace at some distant locations. Okay, so peace is free from disturbances. We live happily. It's nothing but peace. Okay, our third word is flash. A bright light that shines for very short time. If you ever seen a thunder, if thunder flash, a small light appear, right? Like a flash. So that kind of light is nothing but a flash. Okay, purpose. So our next new word is purpose. Use or a reason. See, if I asked you for anything, why you did this, what are your expectations on this, what is the purpose you are coming to school, what is the main reason you are coming to school? Yes, nowadays you are listening to the classes, right? What is the main purpose of online class? To give you the best explanation of lessons, right? What is the purpose of you are coming to school? To study. So purpose means a reason. Hope. What is the meaning of hope? The feeling that good things will happen soon. What is the hope? See, hope means if you got 29 out of 30 in this FA2, for example, you hope for getting 30 out of 30 for FA3. Hoping means feeling good. That means you have always positive vibes. You have to think about positive vibes, only positive thoughts, then that kind of thoughts is nothing but hope. Okay, obeyed means followed instructions. So our next new words is obeyed. What is the meaning of obeyed? Followed instruction. All the students must obey the school instructions. That means whatever the rules that the school keep, we have to follow that instructions. That kind of instructions is nothing but obeyed. That means we have to accept that instructions. In that case, we use the word obeyed. Okay, so today I am going to read the lesson. You have to read or repeat the lesson after me. Okay, so see. So today I am going to give you the two homeworks. What the first one is in our HW notes. The first one is you have to draw the picture of rainbows. Okay, you have to draw the picture of rainbow and you have to write the colors. Whatever the colors you know, that you have to write. You have to draw the picture of rainbow and you have to write the names of colors and you have to write the new words and their meanings at least 2 times. So this is today's homework. Okay, so see. Once upon a time, repeat after me. Once upon a time, the colors started to fight. Each color said that was the most important one. Green said, I am the color of nature. That is why I am the best. What green said? It is the color of nature and it is the best. Blue said, I am the color of water. Without water, you would be nothing. What did the blue say? It is the color of water. Without water, we can't live, right? So, our yellow laughed. I bring fun and warmth to the world. The sun, the moon and the stars are yellow. Orange said, think of my beauty when I fill the sky at sunrise or sunset. Red shouted, I am the color of love. Violet spoke with great power, I am the sign of wisdom. Indigo spoke quietly, I am the color of silence. You need me for peace. The colors then stopped talking to one another. How sad they were. Suddenly, there was a flash of light. The 7 colors heard Rain speak in a loud voice, You foolish colors, fighting among yourselves. Don't you know that each one of you was made for a special purpose? When it rains, all of you will join hands and stretch across the sky together. The rainbow is sign of hope, so that we can all get together and shine even with our differences. The colors felt ashamed. They obeyed Rain and stopped fighting. They were happy again. So, what you have to do today is you have to read the lesson at least 2 times. So this lesson is very interesting story. This lesson is all about the colors. Okay. So what is the homework today? So what you have to do is today I am not giving you much burden. So what you have to do today? Textbook reading is most important thing. Okay. Today you have to read the lesson at least 2 times. After that what you have to do? You have to write the new words and their meanings at least 2 times. And you have to by heart the spellings of new words. Okay. So and along with that what you have to do? So along with that, what you have to do is you have to write the names of colors that you know. Whatever the colors names you know, that you have to write in your HW, and if possible you have to draw the rainbow picture, if possible only. If not, there is no burden. Okay, if you want to draw a picture of rainbow, you have to draw that picture and send me. So what are today's homeworks? You have to read the lesson at least 2 times, and you have to write the new words and their meanings 2 times, and you have to write the names of colors that you know. So whatever the colors names you know, that you have to write, and you have to send the pictures of it. Okay, so tomorrow I am going to explain you this lesson. Okay, so hope you understand today's homework, and you have to send the pictures of everything. Okay, thank you.